Public opinion is big business. Whether it's a celebrity, a musician promoting an album, or business combating negative press, chances are you've recently encountered PR work and you might not have known.
So you see, Chuck, propaganda is important. Well worth any time you give.
But how can you study it?
Well, you can begin by investigating the techniques of propaganda.
I'm about to show you some very important information.
Peace and love. Welcome back, everybody. Brother Sanchez speaking. I have a lot to go over with you guys today, so I'm going to hop right into it. What I'm about to share with you today is very, very important. They like to give us so much news. Why don't they tell us when the military is testing this advanced aircraft? Why is this so secretive? The Pentagon want to release so much information. Why won't the Pentagon open up their mouth about this kind of aircraft at Langley, at Roswell? Because it'll blow the lid off of their media deception. Hey, man, so when the next hearing gonna happen about E.T.? What? E.T.? Oh, yeah, man, you know, the UFOs, you know. Ooh, shit, you know, shit. Ah, man. I don't know, man. Hit me up tomorrow, though. You know what I'm saying? You know, we always gotta fight something that we can't identify, like the devil. Like, that's you, mother worst enemy, but you ain't saw him yet. Y'all know how this shit go. They got to always give you a boogeyman you can never find. Yeah, it's some up there, and all of these pilots, man, they, you know, I get 5 ET reports a day, and we don't know what it is. It can be some foreign up there, but, you know, we'll have the next hearing in about 50 years. Really? Really?
They used the arts. They used the television shows, but they really want to change your belief system since a little kid. Here's SpongeBob. You got the Illuminati stuff all over SpongeBob. Because the television is programming. Your belief system is programming. The television is programming you since a child what to believe.
Our opponent advertises himself as real. I say he is unreal, unrealistic. He is a visionary, a theorist, a dreamer. He is so thirsty that like a weary traveler in the desert, he sees a mirage, and he is trying to sell it to you as real.
So let me play this back.
Analysis. Pilots avoided reporting or were laughed at when they did.
This is the first.
How you dumb mother gonna say that the pilots got laughed at for reporting it when the pilots is laughing while they reporting it? They don't even believe it.
Stupid.
And they'll be like, boy, you see that UFO? And the nigga from the Pentagon who put the shit out will be like, you know I didn't put a UFO in that footage, didn't it? That's him talking to his buddy while y'all look at the UFO on a picture. He in a corner told this buddy like, ain't no UFO on that. Bro, it's a static stream. That's all I gave him. The UFO is in their mind, Craig. It's in your mind. So you mean to tell me the footage that we got of the sun, and we know how high, and what camera ain't melted yet right there? We ain't gonna even talk about that. Only thing I wanna talk about is, ain't no way you should have this crystal clear footage of the sun, but when you want to show me E.T., this is what my tax dollars got me. If you don't take this bullshit and shove it, you fool.
But the Marano crypto Jews, they're a powerful group of Jesuits who control the Vatican and the US government, education, private sector, finance, etc.
This is bull. All of the footage that I get of E.T. is some green, blurred out night vision. It's some Andy Griffith style Sega Genesis 16-bit blurred up bull.
A series of unidentified aerial phenomena spotted by military pilots. What are we talking about? Unidentified aerial phenomena? Well, we usually just call them UFOs. Well, Congress is holding a hearing on them today for the first time in more than 50 years, and our Martha Radis joins us now. Martha, we're not expecting really any ET jokes with this takes place. This is serious stuff.
Yo, what up? It's DoeNut.
Why are they coming out with all this information now? Saying they're gonna release 1,500 Pentagon files of declassified UFO information. Are they warming us up for the fake alien invasion of Project Bluebeam, where they're gonna have a fake holographic alien people come down here, make us all freak out and join this new world order?
So listen, mother. So look, you got 400 mother sightings of ET, and everybody left their good camera at home. A moth. I'm telling, that's a moth right there. You know, moth. They fly by my camera all the time. See, these folks want y'all to be scared of Mothman. That don't scare me. If I was in the military and I was a general and a Pentagon gave me this bullshit footage, I'd say, yeah, man, so what's for breakfast tomorrow?
I'm sorry, what?
The dude who leaked this footage somewhere smoking a blunt like everybody ready for the grand joke. And this all his buddies. And he said, guess what, guys? Tell them, Randy. Hey, guys, there's no UFO. And that's when everybody started motherfucking busting out laughing. As the whole world point out the UFO in the blurred footage. Y'all are such sheeple. You're such sheeple.
Now, I'm about to show you some very sensitive information.
It is just more indication they think we are all idiots. Do you think real historians can't see what I see? Do you think thousands of college-educated wonks, as detail-oriented as any scholars, don't know what I have just told you? Of course, they know. Anyone who has bothered to read these bios and histories closely must know they are total disinfo. I put it that way because it means that all the historians are in on the con. They are all hired to shove this garbage down your throat. No historians ever tell you these stories are faked. No lawyer will ever tell you the court cases are faked. No artist will ever tell you the art market is a big con. No scientists ever tell you science is a hoax. So what does that tell you about the world? The illusion of reality, a smokescreen, a fairy tale written by twisted trolls.